Find the NordVPN application on the App Store and install it on your Amazon Fire device. After the installation finishes, launch the application. Click on the Login button. Enter your NordVPN credentials and log into the application. You can now go to the All Countries section to quickly connect to servers in specific countries, or choose one of our specialty servers in the section below. Please note that, when connecting for the first time, you will be asked for permission to connect to the VPN and add a VPN profile to your device. It's safe to do it, so simply follow the prompts to create the profile. Once you're connected, your selected server tile will light up green. A word "Connected" will appear at the top right part of the application, indicating a successful connection. To disconnect, click again on the tile of the server you are connected to.